Hello, beautiful souls. Today I want to talk to you about something that lies at the very core of our existence. Something that mystics, healers, and spiritual teachers have known for centuries. And that is the fact that everything is vibration. Sound healing is based on this ancient wisdom that the universe itself is a vibration. Every living being, every object, and even our thoughts and emotions vibrate at a certain frequency. These vibrations interact with each other, creating harmony or dissonance in our lives. Quantum physicists today echo what spiritual traditions have always taught, that the world is sound, and everything is in a state of constant vibration. The frequency that we resonate with affects our health, our emotions, and our reality as well. By aligning ourselves with healing frequencies, we can restore balance in our energy field, or what some call the biofield or the aura. Throughout history, different cultures have understood the power of sound and vibration, whether it's the sacred in Hinduism, Gregorian chants in Christianity, or indigenous drumming rituals. Sound has always been used to connect to something greater, to something divine. So, how can we bring this awareness into our lives? By paying attention to the vibrations around us, the sounds we expose ourselves to, and the energy that we emit through our thoughts, our words, and our actions. Simple practices like humming, listening to healing sounds, or using instruments like tuning forks can help to raise our vibration and bring our body, our mind, and our spirit into harmony. I want you to remember that everything is vibration. By becoming conscious of the frequencies that we interact with, we can create more harmony, more balance, and more healing in our lives. Thank you for being here with me today. And let's continue to vibrate at the frequency of love, light, and authenticity.